Dance tutorial. Introduction. Partners face each other. Girl holds skirt, boy's hand on waist. 3-step turn right in place, counts 1, 2, 3. Bow to partner or audience, counts 1, 2, 3. Pose counts 1, 2, 3. 3 measures. Figure 1. Partners face each other. Girl holds skirt, swaying it in every count. Boys hands on waist. Figure 1. A. Brush right foot forward and step on it immediately. Forward count 1. Step left foot backward count 2. Step right foot sideward count 3. 1 measure. B. Step left foot in front counts 1, 2, 3. 1 measure. Again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. C. Repeat A and B starting with left foot. 2 measures. Again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. D. Starting with right foot, take 2 close steps forward to partner's place, passing right to right shoulders, 2 measures. E. 3-step turn right about, finish facing partner, 2 measures. F. Repeat all, A to E. Finish in proper places, 8 measures. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Figure 2, A. Step right foot forward, count 1. Step left foot close to right, count 2. Step right foot backward, count 3. 1 measure. One, 2, 3. B. Point left foot in front, counts 1, 2, 3. Arms in forward position, right arm high. 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. C. Repeat A and B, starting with left foot, reverse position of arms in B, 2 measures. One, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. D. 2 wall steps forward, right and left to partner's place, passing right to right shoulders, arms in lateral position, moving sideward right and left, 2 measures. E. Waltz turn right about, arms in forward bend position with a forearm turn, right and left. Finish facing partner, 2 measures. One, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. F. Repeat all, A to E. Finish in proper places, 8 measures. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Figure 3. Partners face away from each other. A. Repeat figure 1, A to C. 4 measures. B. Take 2 steps close backward, right and left, going to partner's place, passing right to right shoulders, 2 measures. C. 3-step turn right about, finish facing away from each other, 2 measures. D. Repeat A to C, finish facing audience, 8 measures. Figure 4. A. Repeat figure 2, A to C, 4 measures. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. B. Repeat figure 2, D to E. Finish in partner's place, 4 measures. C. Repeat A and B. Finish in proper places, 8 measures. Bow to partner or audience.